So what's up people? How's it going? How are you doing? It's me, Alex. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, today I'm having another trading video, another way of earning money, and another video where I'm going to be talking and sharing with you the details of the way that I'm trading. So be prepared for that, and do not forget to go join to my Telegram VIP group, which is going to be below in the description. So this is absolutely for free. Just going there and just gathering and getting all the needed information. So check it out, and at the same time, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a like right there, and of course let me know in the comments what you think about the videos overall. I mean, are they informative enough, or you would like to get more information? So I would like to satisfy your needs and goals, I would say. So yeah, let's try, not trying, but starting. And would like to add that I'm having $22 in my balance right now. So we're going to be trading with that amount of money. So we're playing short right now. I'm betting $22 for short, and I'm trading with year-end Turkish liras. So you can see the price reached the resistance at 37.82633, and the same level that reached the last time. So according to the Williams R, we can see that that indicator already shows us a signal for a drop. So we are confidently opening up a drop option. So here you go. Great, perfect. So first bet is good. We got it. Let's play with $75 right now. And by the way, don't get me wrong when I say let's play. I just mean let's bet it. So $75, I'm playing long, and you can see the currency pair moved into the oversold zone, confirmed by both oscillators. So I expect a bounce upward. I expect winning this. I expect getting above the entry point of mine. Yeah, this is it. Oh my god, I don't know why I chose this hairstyle, but that wasn't my decision, to be honest. But once the barber just messed it up, I was like, all right, just make it a buzz cut. That was, yeah. Right now I'm having some skincare, and you can see some scars and pimples on my face. That's not because I'm I'm not healthy or anything like this, just because of the fact that I'm getting the skincare right now, a little routine and everything. And that's normal, as I was informed. And that's normal, us winning the bets, the trades that we are having right here. Okay, let's move to Euro and Russian ruble right here. Oh, so we are not going to trade here, I believe, because you can see the low volatility we have here, and MACD has low volumes as well. You can see it. Yeah, let's move. I don't want to risk it there. That would be so silly of me. So right here we're going for short. Pretty obvious. Everything is below the midline of the Don chain, and we still have some room. We are not really in the oversold zone, but we have some room there. I mean, at the same time, you can see the Don chain Smith line acting as a strong resistance right here. Great, $249 right there, which is quite satisfying, to be honest. Okay, let's play with 240 right here and going for long. I mean, you can see that again, the price broke above the midline of the channel, and MACD giving us a bright signal, and Williams still shows room for growth. So no worries, I'm just playing it. Great, like pretty obvious right here that we're winning this. Great, like $488. All right. In the beginning, I didn't really have much money, So I had only $22, and right now I made almost $500. And if you calculate some digits right there, you'll understand that there's a pretty great result right here. And I'm really very glad that I'm having this. So the more balance you have, the bigger amounts you're going to be trading with. Of course, the risk is raising, as well as the amount of the profit is raising. So everything is connected to each other. I know that you understand that. So do not forget to join my Telegram VIP group, which is absolutely free. You're not paying anything. You're just clicking on the link, which is going to be in the description below, and you just go in there. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And let me know if you are willing to see more such videos in the comments. Thank you for watching. Good.